In this video, I'll guide you through how to send a Google Meet invite in Gmail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create an email, add your meeting link, choose who you're inviting, and send it off with confidence. We'll keep things simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. First, start by opening Gmail. You can do this in any web browser by going to the Gmail website and signing in with your Google account, or by opening the Gmail app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to use for the meeting, especially if you have multiple Google accounts. Once Gmail is open and you can see your inbox, you're ready for the next step. Next, click the Compose button. On the desktop version of Gmail, this is usually a colorful button labeled Compose near the top left corner of the screen. When you click it, a new message window appears, typically in the lower right corner. On mobile, look for the plus or pencil icon to start a new email. Take a moment to get familiar with this window because this is where you'll build your invitation. Now it's time to insert your meeting link. You should already have a Google Meet link ready, either from a calendar event you created or directly from Google Meet. Click into the main body of the email, the large blank space where you normally type your message. Paste your Google Meet link there. You can press Ctrl+V on Windows, Command+V on a Mac, or use the paste option on your device. It's a good idea to include a short message above the link, like a brief agenda or the date and time of the meeting, so your invitees know what the meeting is about and when to join. Keep things clear and simple. For example, here is the Google Meet link for our call on Friday at 3 p.m. After that, add your recipients. At the top of the Compose window, click in the To field and start typing the email addresses of the people you want to invite. Gmail will usually suggest contacts as you type, so you can simply click on the correct one. If you're inviting several people, separate each email address with a comma or select each suggestion as it appears. You can also use the CC or BCC fields if you want certain people to receive the invite without being the main recipients. Adding a clear subject line such as Google Meet invitation followed by the topic or date helps your invite stand out in busy inboxes. Once you've reviewed everything you're ready to send, double check that your Google Meet link is correct, that the time and purpose of the meeting are clearly written, and that all the right recipients are listed. When everything looks good, click the send button at the bottom of the Compose window. Gmail will send your message and each recipient will receive your Google Meet invite in their inbox. They can then click the link at the scheduled time to join your meeting. That's all it takes to send a Google Meet invite in Gmail. Open Gmail, compose a new message, insert your meeting link, add your recipients, and click send. With these simple steps, you can set up virtual meetings quickly and reliably whenever you need.